Tonight on KTCS News, we have another update on the wildfire in the Himmlie National Park. So, recently it has been notified that the fire is now 50% contained. Many homes have been destroyed. We believe that the fire may spread to other cities in the area. Let's hope the fire department can simply contain the fire before it gets that far. Anyway, the fire is 50% contained. Our highly trained fire crews are taking care of it. And Camara's government will be opening up resources for those that have lost their homes and their livelihoods to this fire. We will be providing aid for our civilians, they say. Until next time, I'm James Barth on KTCS News.